guess you always have to get the first word. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Thank you very much for your patience. And we have a couple more weeks left of that class, and then that will be over. And I can't wait.
Angus. Ew.
Nailed it. A little bit of basketball.
Come on, dude.
It'll be the first of 2 breaks. First one, of course, will be Sage Hit 2021. I did order another box, so next week we'll probably do that one as well. And it may also be on next Thursday. And then I'm not going to do any more Sage Hit.
But then we're going to do a coding.
I'm not going to do a coding.
But it's coding. But what about this coding?
This is all day, guys. All day. This coding. I got too many codings. We need more codings. Alright, guys, we had 2 bingo balls. Mike, you get one with the letter E automatically, and then we will have a bingo ball winner.
It's like Sesame Street.
Sesame Street?
It's like Sesame Street with like the word of the letter of the day is E.
Letter of the day is E.
Ugh. Oh, we're doing the Funko Pop today?
Doing a Funko Pop today. 6. We are going to 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Bingo. A ball winner, Justin Deegan. What up, D Cook?
Deegs?
No, Daniel Cook.
I was saying hi to Justin Deegan.
He ain't even watching right now.
Well, I guess I'll say hi.
Mike, you will get the first bingo ball, and then Justin, you will get the second.
Hey.
Hey.
All right, with the boys, Alan already told you I'm opening 2021 Sage Hit. Mike, hi.
Learning some 2021 ropes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Pumped for the new names.
Yep.
Number 22.
All right. What is it? What is Lauren with the roly eyes guy?
Broly Eyes Guy.
What is that, Daniel Cook? What? What's up with you?
What's up with you? 16 autos out of this.
16 autographs.
16 autographs.
What?
So hopefully 16 spots y'all get one. But I know that's how you some J Fields.
All right. First up is Gregory something? Rosu. Yeah.
It actually looked decent for Sage.
8:30.
Different.
I normally am getting ready and going to work right now, but I have tonight off. I'm so excited. D'Angelo Amos.
She said you should do 2 breaks.
Joe Tyron. Tryon. It's probably Tryon. Okay. Our first autograph is Rashid Weaver. So W going to Kintia.
Kinte.
Kinte.
Yep, his name hasn't changed since the last time.
I don't know it. So congratulations.
Kinte Stewart gets the first one.
Kinte.
Yep.
And you're Rashid Weaver.
I did my best to group them evenly. Of course, there will be some that are not going to be as... Yeah.
Nico Collins. Sewell.
Nice Sewell.
Panay Sewell. It's Sewell.
It's not. It's Sewell.
Sewell. Tyson Campbell.
We will likely do something, too, for the NFL draft. Something like last year where you're buying a spot and then you get the cards related to the team you draw. A little different.
Another Nico Collins. Elijah Griffin. Jordan Smith. Ooh, look at this one. Shiny.
Peak performance.
Got a peak performance autograph of Shane Simpson. Shane Simpson with an S.
Mr. Simpson Russell Jackson.
All right, congratulations, Russell.
Hey, I want that autograph.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Trey Lance.
Who is dating Colin Cowherd's daughter.
Really?
Yep.
Huh. Wyatt Davis. Next level, Chartarius Atwell.
I believe that is Tutu Atwell. Tiny fella.
Ryan Mackey, what's up, my man? Jalen Darden. Greg McRae. Dedrick Mills.
Of course there are, Mike.
Here is a Brett Heggie.
But not a ton that end with E. That's why you got a bingo ball.
All right, Brett Heggie, and he also said that this is the number 61 of 100. He only signed 100 of them.
That's true.
All right, so
Kevin
H.
Borst, you are on the board.
Congratulations, Kevin. Tom, hi. Dwayne Eskridge.
There you go. There's an E for you. Son of a gun.
Yeah, there you go, Mike. Another Joe Tryon? I don't know. Next level, Jamie Newman.
Jamie Newman. Hopefully we see a couple of the big boys. Fields. Maybe Micah Parsons. Kyle Pitts. Lawrence is limited. I think he has one auto out of the slow series.
Sage Surratt. Wow. Keeney Nwagnu. Nwagnu.
Mm-hmm.
Another next level, Jamie Newman. Ooh, on card auto. Next level of Jalen Camp.
Justin
Camp.
Deegan. 4 autos, 4 different people getting a hit. Worst case, you're getting some hold credit and you're getting all this stuff cheaper.
All right, congratulations, Mr. Deegan. Rashad Bateman. I was sounding it out.
You were sounding it out, yes.
Rashad Bateman.
Kid can't even read.
Dedrick Mills. Kenneth Gainwell.
There's a B for you. Bateman.
Yeah.
I think projected 2nd round pick.
Another Sage Surratt. Donovan Steiner. This guy, I'm just going to call him KN.
KN.
Yep. Oh, look at this fancy auto. James Hudson.
No, an old lineman auto. Kevin Borst.
Again,
First
Kevin.
repeat.
Congrats. Kylan Hill. Jalen Twyman. Cameron McGrone.
I think they look a little better for the most part, but the card stock's kind of lackluster still.
Here's that Micah Parsons Alan was talking about.
Stud.
I think you said his name.
Freaking stud.
Stud. Alan says stud. Rashad Weaver. Next level, Brady White. Autograph, Jovan Grant.
Jovan Grant Dilly.
All right, congratulations, James Dillingham, on your Jovan Grant.
I actually believe that Michigan's shitty kicker, Quinn Nordine, has autos in this.
Another Micah Parsons. Ambry Thomas.
Oh, there's a Wolverine.
Mm-hmm. Next level, Brevin Jordan.
Of course there is, guys. Justin Fields is the F, Robert.
God, give me a break, Robert.
You mentioned his name.
Rondale Moore. Oh my God, here you go. Here's a Justin Fields. Complainer.
He's literally on the wrapper.
Jalen Camp. Autograph of Dylan Stoner.
Dylan Stoner headed to Russell Jackson.
All right, congratulations, Russell Jackson. Gregory Rousseau? Rousseau? I don't know how to pronounce that. Tutu Atwell.
Oh, 2 different Atwells.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, all right.
Yep. Oh, gosh. Eimer Smith Marsetti. Okay. Nico Collins. This is his 3rd card. Sean Byer.
Yeah, it's not a very big checklist.
Charterius Atwell, next level card. Autograph of Ernest Brown IV. Ernest Brown.
Ernie Brown going to Tommy U.
All right, congratulations, Tom Romansky, on your Ernest
And defensive lineman.
Osiris Mitchell. Sam
Longhorn.
Ellinger.
Ellinger.
Jamie Newman, next level. Also the third card of him.
We are halfway home in autos.
Micah Parsons. Dylan Stoner. Brady White. Next autograph is Jaman Osborne. Jaman Osborne.
One for Chris Bailey.
All right, Mr. Bailey, congratulations. Another Justin Fields, Hunter Long, and Kyle Trask.
He may sneak his way into the first round.
He's got a very teeny shirt on.
He does.
Oh,
They don't supply full shirts down in Florida.
I mean, it's hot down there. Why would you want a full shirt? Rashad Bateman.
That name.
Yeah, this guy. You guys can read it and pronounce it to yourselves. Pat Fryermuth. Autograph of Marlon Character.
Marlon Character, J. Deegs.
All right, congratulations, Justin Deegan, on your Marlon Character. Kenneth Gainwell, Jonathan Adams Jr., and Kylan Hill.
Are you starting a PC of the 2021 rookie named Trey McKitty?
No. I have 2 people I collect, and that will be forever.
Matt
3.
Stafford.
No. Gregory, I don't know, can you pronounce this?
Rosu.
Rosu. Najee Harris. Donovan Steiner. Autograph of this guy, Mr. K.N. Mr. K.N.
One for Taylor Glover.
All right, congratulations, Taylor Glover, on this guy.
And you're this guy.
Tyson Campbell. Jay Tufeli. Brevin Jordan, next level.
Yeah, I feel we're due for a big one, yes.
There you go. Like who?
Justin Fields.
Joseph
Nico.
Osai? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Peyton Ramsey. D'Angelo Amos. Autograph of Myron Mitchell. Myron going to Daniel Loy. Congratulations, Daniel. Sage Surratt. Tutu Atwell. Tyson Campbell.
Still have not pulled Robert Notto.
Nope.
A few others.
Jalen Darden. Riley Cole. There's that Kyle Trask. Next level. Autograph, Jonathan Adams Jr. So Chris Bailey, congratulations.
Now have to give her a spanking later.
Yeah, I'll let Alan give me a spanking later. Rondale Moore. DJ Turner. Charterius Atwell, next level. All right, there's only a couple packs left. I think 3, if I counted correctly, which I know I did. Kenneth Gainwell. Marlon Character. Michael Strachan. Autograph DJ Turner.
DJ Turner, Jeffrey Russell.
All right, congratulations, Jeff Russell, and your DJ Turner. Cameron McGrone.
I love how the Michigan players all have the winged helmet still, despite not having logo rights.
Warren Jackson, and then Brady White.
There's 2 more.
Rondale Moore. Demetric Felton. Nico Collins, next level. Autograph Tyson Campbell.
Another one for Deegs.
All right, congratulations, Justin. And your Tyson Campbell. Dalen Hayes. Michael Stracken. Sage Surratt. Man, I'm getting tongue-tied.
Too many S's in that name.
All right, here's our last pack. Joseph Osai. Okay. Mark Webb.
Why couldn't everybody just be named Mark? Wow, there's our first Kyle Pitts.
Next level, Kyle Pitts.
And
Trey Lance. Trey Lance autograph, numbered 41 of 100.
pretty solid way to end that.
All right, congratulations, Scott Royal.
Royal, very nice.
All right.
Now if you're going to sell it, do it quick.
Sell this quick. Trey Lance, congrats. Eimer Smith Marcetti. Caleb Farley. And last but not least, Kylan Hill.
So I don't know if you want to go
All
through
right.
all the hits. You don't
Nope.
have to.
I am
but
not
of course,
going
the
to go
highlight was
through.
that Trey Lance auto to end it.
Not going to go through all the hits. You guys can rewatch the video if
I'll
you're
post a
interested.
recap at some point after work tomorrow or tonight at that time.
Yeah. All right, Justin Deegan.
Nope, Simonson gets the first one.
Mike Simonson, what is his name?
Mike Simonson gets one.
Oh, Mike
One.
Simonson, you get one because you had like the letter E.
Get letter E, the not so good letter E.
Okay, so congratulations, Mike. Here's your first one.
That would have been one of the best.
50.
50.
Yeah, had you got an autographed Justin Fields, it would have been the best.
Damn right.
But you didn't.
Trey Lance was the big one.
But you didn't. Okay, so Mike, you won yourself a very nice looking Miles Sanders jersey card. It is obviously 4 colors in some of the little pieces there, and it's number 28 of 99 out of plates and patches. So congratulations, Mike, on
So
this.
not all is lost, Mike.
All right, Justin Deegan, you're up next. Here's your empty carrier.
Not too many left.
You get 7, Justin.
7.
Looks
Mr.
dirty.
Bailey is wanting shipment,
Shit,
and I can do
please.
that tomorrow afternoon. I'll pack up your stuff.
All right. Justin, you won yourself a Cam Akers jersey card out of playoff. So that's that. All right, boys, that be it. If you are part of that second break, obviously that is coming up next, so stay tuned. If not, I hope you have a very wonderful weekend, and we'll be talking to y'all later. Bye.